namin, I think it was promised at around 12 noon. Dami lang nangyari. So, I don't know if you're all happy that I'm the one here. The girls are here. Ang pito sa kanila nandito. Okay, we're still missing Sheena, but I think there's good news later on about Sheena. But siguro konting kwento. Unfortunately, we don't have the girls right now with me because it's a rest day for them. Dahil kagabi, we had a first run-through sa studio nung Biniverse concert and it's a great show. We will have a great show this weekend. I'm so excited to see it already. Tomorrow will be a run-through sa venue. Pero, ang sarap ng feeling just seeing the show come together. Ang galing ng mga girls. Ang ganda ng Biniverse. And I will assure you that we will all have fun this weekend. So, yung sa may mga tickets, congratulations. And I can guarantee that we will all enjoy the Biniverse concert, the 3-night Biniverse concert, starting Friday, the 28th until the 30th. May special announcement kami sa 30th, kaya abangan nyo yan, yung magandang special announcement namin the 30th. But, I'm here because meron kami special announcement because dumating na yung supplies ng mga limited merchandise as we started selling at One Ayala during the Happy Bini Day noong June 11. Now, dumating na po yung bagong supply and alam ko we said that it can be sold at NFT during the concert days. Kaya lang we feel it might have a bottleneck. So we will open the selling tomorrow exclusively for members of the website, exclusive members of the website. It will start at 9 a.m. At the ABS-CBN merch store, but your entry point is through the, what do you call it? Center Road. May ABS-CBN Center Road, ABS-CBN Center Road, kung saan yung singlets na distribute namin. Dito yung daan din going to the ABS-CBN merch store. So, nandyan po yung mga biniwan, yung additional t-shirts, and the bracelets, lahat po ng pinakita namin sa inyo during the announcement of the official merchandise. Dumating na po yung supplies, and it will be available starting tomorrow at 9 a.m. and until supplies last. So, hindi po natin alam kung maubos siya bukas, but I suggest that if you're an exclusive member, come and get your merchandise. Each member is allowed to purchase one of each item. Okay, so lahat po na yan, from the stickers to the t-shirt to the beanie one, you can purchase at least one of that if you're an exclusive member. At alam nyo naman ho, madali pong maubos ang ating mga merchandise. So, yun po. So, we encourage you. We officially announce that tomorrow we'll start selling it at 9 a.m. in ABS-CBN. And also, since maraming hindi nakakuha ng tickets for Biniverse sa NFT, you can still sign up to the live streaming of the third day concert of Biniverse. Dahil may special announcement din kami dyan na may kakatuwa nyo. And pwede ho, lalo na if you're an exclusive member of the website, you have a 20% discount of the live streaming for the Biniverse. Pero, if you're an exclusive member, ulitin ko of the website, aside if you don't sign up to sign up to the third day of the Biniverse, meron naman tayong backstage access. So, makakakita kayo ng some of the happenings backstage during the Biniverse concert. Before, and probably a little after the concert, you will see, some of the happenings backstage. So, abangan niyo po yan. And I hope you encourage some of your friends and some of the other blooms who have not signed up sa website na mag-sign up na kasi marami pang mangyaring magagandang perks being an exclusive member of the website. So, yun po yung aming special announcement. So, the merchandise will be available tomorrow in ABS-CBN store here in the ABS-CBN compound in Quezon City. And secondly, the live streaming is still available for signing up for the third day, June 30. So, and then, meron din po tayong backstage access if you're an exclusive member of the website. So, I think yun yung yan, di ba? Nagpapahinga ho sila ngayon. Today is their rest day. Okay? But I think there's some news na abangan nyo later tungkol naman sa ating campaign na sinahanap-hanap kita. Correct? Cook? Si Cook na nakaisip nun. So, yun. So, abangan nyo po yan sa aming mga socials later. Again, I'm Derek Loren, and thank you very much. And let's get excited for the Beaniverse concert on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Pero bukas, abangan po namin kayo, yung mga gusto ng aming mga official merchandise, to please come here to ABS-CBN compound. Bye-bye.